So I've had the stock steering wheel on my Tesla for a while, and it was alright, it was kind of comfortable. And then I installed a Yoke steering wheel, which was super comfortable. I really liked it, used it for about 6 months, but I found the next best thing. And that's the brand new Cybertruck inspired steering wheel in Napa White. This thing is so badass. It feels even more comfortable than the Yoke. And I mean, just look at it. It looks amazing. This is the very first time that a Cybertruck steering wheel has been installed inside of a Tesla Model 3. So let me know your thoughts. I'm super excited to use this thing. I mean, just look at it. It looks freaking cool. I got the white Cybertruck steering wheel from Tes Studio. They're running an awesome summer sale right now where you can get a steering wheel like this or a dash screen like this for amazing prices. And for even more of a discount, head over to the product link in my bio, use my code HAPA, and follow for more.